Hit this ramp, it's like straight up. Hit the ramp, not me.
Alright, so today we are going to do a quick show of what I got. We're going to do some sling shot from Pro Line 2.2 sand tires, but these are going to be the snow tires. So we're going to get these babies on, and we're going to take this out in the snow and get a little better traction. Open that one. Alright, let's see these babies.
They're all like glue.
I think they'll do good in the...
Chip, they're not treats.
Chip, just because it came out of a bag doesn't mean that it's for you. Alright, there we go. Now look at this little car. I got this out when I was in Florida. I saw these at the store. Kind of cool little RC cars, and I don't think it'll handle that much of abuse, but
it survived the drop off the counter already. See if I can get a donut.
Oh, right now it's almost right in the trash.
There's some flour. I need some flour.
All right. Let's get these tires mounted and get it out in the snow. Chip, it's not a treat. Goofball. Goofball. Dog thinks it's a treat. Alright, so you look at that. What do you think so far? What do you think so far?
They look mean.
They look different.
Smash the like button.
Smash!
Like, smash your hand on there. Not really hard.
Smash the like button.
There you go. Now we just gotta take this baby outside.
It's too cold to.
No, it's not.
Fresh powder. Let's go in the back here. Your batteries are charged.
Are my batteries charged?
Your batteries are charged.
Are they charged? Not like last time? What did I say last time? I don't need my fat face in there. Dude. Alright, I'm all bundled up, ready to go outside, and we're gonna test these new tires out. I still am a big Vikings fan, even though they kind of sucked in their last game. But, oh well. Next year. Right in a hole. Okay, land there. Okay, go. There you go. Oh, almost.
Hit this ramp, it's like straight up. Hit the ramp, not me.
See that?
Yeah? I think you missed. Hit the ramp.
The ramp. Oh. Look at that head. I got it on the ramp. Hey.
Skateboarder.
Oh, did you see that? Whatever. Ready? driver casting here. See what kind of jumps he can do. Nice. No. Do I dare get in front of this?
No, probably not.
Alright, we're gonna do a daring move here.
Don't do this at
Don't hit me.
Don't do it at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. Where would they call not professionals?
There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
Alright, go for it. Ready? Hey, you landed it.
Hey, wait.
Ready. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. You see that? It landed. Rough. It landed.
You gotta ease into the throttle more. You're hitting the throttle too early.
Here, come over here and get me jumping off that little bead there.
I don't know if I trust you.
Well, these babies did some pretty cool stuff in the snow. Got a lot of traction. I wore out 2 batteries doing it. And so hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more cool stuff we do with our RC cars. Again, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Wah! See how fast it goes. Get the buzzing away. Do a cool jump. Alright, we're gonna jump it in the street. Ready? Alright. Whoa! Alright, run 2. Made it. Can you do it? Alright, turn the... Are you gonna be able to do it? It's gonna be reversed. Alright, just a second. Oh. Oh well. Okay, go. Whoa. Nice. Oh, that was a hard hit. That was a hard hit. Just the ramp. Not broken yet? Well, we're not done yet then. Break it. Bash it. No, bash it. Whoa! What is it? Bash it, break it, fix it. Is that our motto? Oh! One more shot here. Ready? All right. You need more speed. Oh, where'd it crack? Oh yeah, cracked right there. Oh well. There's Caddison. And his Rustler. Thanks for watching. And what do you say?
Send me some hand warmers.
Yeah.
Link in the description.
See ya in the next one.